Before there was a church, there was only a vision. Dangiri Kenasole, a place once associated with mourning and silence, would one day become a place of light. Inspired by the words of Isaiah, the people who walked in darkness have seen a great light. In 1965, a small group of faithful believers began gathering together, not knowing that 60 years later, their prayers, sacrifice, and faithfulness would still be speaking. The early believers came from different parts of Fiji. They had worshipped in different churches, but God was bringing them together for a new purpose. The first gatherings alternated between Dangiri and Nasole before it was held in the home of Meli Serevi Mbakani. Services would later move between the homes of Meli Serevi and Chope Walla Walla, between Dangiri and Nasole. As the congregation grew, one home was no longer enough. The church's first Vakatawa was Ropate Green Lomavatu, and its first Tuirara was Pauliasi Rasanga. But the early church did not yet have its own building. So the congregation worshipped in a community hall, a place that on Saturday nights was filled with dancing and celebration. And every Sunday morning, before worship began, the pioneer women of the church would arrive early to clean the hall. The spirit of humility, sacrifice, and service became the foundation of Dangiri and Nasole Methodist Church.
Nakana yurong ada na Dangiri Kenasole. Indona chiku tuya ena vilongan. Tuindi kai tuindi nanda kinumbula ramai. Enon rambula na viloman na nangkasiki ambu dua tanisa. Senganindu ya kucukata. Senganindu tugen me kuesaran ramun cukulut. Anor tu viloman tu viloman sa viloman kuata. Kena dola cene tabi na kena karabi na kena duru mina viong kita. Era virurung itu na kena karabi. Era viloman tapi untuk kai. Era virurung ko viloman cukulut.
As the years passed, the congregation dreamed of building a permanent home for worship. When challenges of a land arose, a man named Iso Makutu shared a vision that would shape the church forever. Build the community hall first and raise the church above it. In 1972, the first foundation post was planted. Families gave sacrificially. Men, women, youth, and children all came together and carried the burden. Some traveled across Witilevu performing dramas, singing hymns, preaching and fundraising to support the construction. Under the leadership of the late Reverend Thomas Langi, many found not only guidance but a spiritual father. The church was built through skilled hands, faithful hearts, and unwavering belief. Apini Saradule led key stages of the construction. Meli Serevi helped prepare early church designs, and Mr. Buinamasi helped lead the early building works. This church was not built through abundance, it was built through sacrifice.
Nakana bekanga una mchiko na nungu chikubule na swali. Ena ngono ya enjua na ndende lebum embaleta na ilabo ni ilabo metoso kina na takataka. Satu na ngandre, satu na yalo ni takataka, satu nengu ene ilabo ni chiku lelai lelai ngandri bakali butunga ndo takatua na soli na takataka rawana bangarela usanga itoso na belutu bangarela usanga itoso na ngandri limbenga na ngone ya chiku na kami atu limtu ni labo sianga na takataka sa toso ngame uchar bagundu sanga itoso tunga ba malo na takataka toso tunga ona raw kini labo toso rau kini labo toso atu manangona kitu atu mekina nangonia ubakla chendu takana soli toso na takataka takana soli toso na takataka
akanga uro ni wakasanga takana kena tarabalutu anu kondo revira na tamai ki mami ura ngani ki mami ra sa bulan rumah tu nangonia ni wieka ras ko mena takataka mai toso na takataka kena singa wakarawai Rata rabalilo sarga indong non rita bitu na tinaikiman may wasi-wasi nara way bakani kumandangan na way akabi na naman mabang vira na wakani, vira na may tarwari.
Ni wana no malesu nan raki ni nonra ngarabi lotu era na ngasi ni lotu na ngono ya raleo vida toka nga se tiko lele ki na solo ya yo nda saraba na yalo ni ve rongodhi na yalo ni ve lomani na matate nonra se mata nonra vivekani wa usivi na nonra vayo te kiratu na raki nga nda kile kinen toki na raki ni sole baki na kia na nda ungarabi ndo na itabi ka wambauta ni sako ya na rai enda rai tu ni kuasa babo tukana sarama induri tu endo na valni lotu levu na bukundra nangase alonganga maramal alonganga ara tekibuna katau ya butaka na lotu ene tiko evengiri kena sole.
But Thangiri and Nasole became more than just a church building. It became a family, a place where generations were nurtured. From these pews emerged teachers, pastors, doctors, leaders, public servants, and families who would contribute greatly to Fiji. The church became known for fellowship, choir, youth ministry, and community life. Even in sport, the influence of Thangiri and Nasole reached far beyond Nisinu. From this community came names that Fiji and the world would later celebrate. Taitore Luni, Josefa Rauto, Jacob Roluni, Mosese Roluni, and Waisele Serevi. But before the stadiums, before the crowds, before the fame, there was the church. The Thangiri and Nasole Methodist Church was the spiritual home that helped shape them.
Na uklando na kalivu enda bulira rawa, webeira na ngasi ni loto Thangiri ke Nasole, webeira na sa ngasi ni loto sa luyani. Oya nambula ni dhakavata, nambula ni sole waki, nambula ni mbole, era mbolea na vendra kini mbula ndrendre me ratau ya butaka kina, tiko ni loto Thangiri ke Nasole, me baka enda sama irede tu nangone ni kuai, kia baka o endo nuna nungu recollecta katsiko na ituku to doko me baleta na kena toyo tekna lote Thangiri ke Nasole sanga ni to nanga una enda la rongo kina ni rako mai na tamata mai tumba mera mai tara se mera mai vaka taka se mera mai ngarawa na kena budini na kena tarai na lote Thangiri ke Nasole ngarawa saranga na tamata tambusakayani era bula era susu ena loma ni tiki ni loto Thangiri ke Nasole ando na puli lewu ukila sa lako tiku mai be kito na tamata na kune ni kuwa na nonra mbole na nonra dhaka bata na nonra sole nonra sole vaka na tamanda na tukanda werer saluyani me sabatu kina ni kuwa na rai ni loto se na loto me sa rautu kina ni kuwa menda me marota katu na sokalo na loto na valni loto Thangiri ke Nasole
nindo nanumana nindo lako mena wa nugu bakasama na Thangiri ke Nasole ndo lako ngame nugu bakasama nambula ni bere redi nambula ni be bandu bataki nambula ni kena sole bagitu nambula ni loto na vengo nondo do rongoda na Thangiri ke Nasole ya do mena sigadi dai ukla ni sakabado ni bisau sia ko tinga mena ngona do mena sigadi dai ya sa wani ni bina katwene na dina na kabini kwa ni na bakalo ngatakati ko na kalu na baba ko suluto Thangiri ke Nasole na bakalo ngatakati ko nang buli loto kena toso me lebna yalo merlesu nga buwan kalu.
For 60 years, the gospel has been carried through voices, songs, service, and sacrifice. Today, the mission continues. But the world has changed. Some of our members are elderly, some are unwell, some live far away, yet they still long to worship, to connect, to belong. That is why this next step matters. The communications ministry is not simply about cameras or equipment. It is about ensuring the light continues to reach every home, every family, every generation. The same faith that built this church in 1965 now calls us forward again.
Wale au reza ni dimbi ka binakan bingkara bingoni communication kina live stream be te para ramatak na bikaya tu na lomuni lutu kila bobina na mbula sandala virmutingo na mbula ni vivatar rita kisa toso tolo na ngauna ka surakai kuta watabai na wosos tapatengo ngo sa lewu na wososo tapi yasini nona mbula ken kasalele kina nanga una me wasia me do tiko me kilatu na kaya taka tu la muni papa ko sulut kanga dribi kinda na matangali vingara vango me rikila kele tiko ko ira na tamata na kaya bo dorti lo mi lot ko sengo la koya ke war sabuni oso se de budi zaka sor la ko tuen me rondambe rongo guna una budong arti umikina rongo seri rasara batumai tapi ka zakatu lomoni ibulot.
60 years ago, our pioneers carried the light through prayer, sacrifice, and faith. Today, we are called to carry that same light even further. And just as the first Makatawa Ropati Green Lamavatu once reflected, Enga yadon dinamai narara.